Good morning, America. Today we have a special treat for all you girls out there. 10 perfect tips to make your ball a success.
I thought we were agreeing to do 10 perfect ways to cut the cheese.
No. Why do we have to have cheese every single episode?
Obviously, you don't get what my point is.
No, I don't.
Oh. Well.
Tip number 1. Least important. Your hair must be done well.
Number 2. Always remember to iron your dress.
Yes, definitely. Tip number 3. Always wear your most beautiful, frilly, curly dress.
Tip number 4. Remember, can you make that one up for me?
Okay. Tip number 4. Always have a good hairdresser before you go to a ball.
Tip number 5. Dress your hair so nice that it won't smell like rotten eggs.
Yeah, duh. Tip number 6. Always wear shoes.
Tip number 7. Always wear your shoes very nice and polish them and do everything you can to them.
Which is this one? 6?
7. No, 8. 8.
Alright, tip number 8. This is one of the most important ones. Always smile at the boys. Go, hee, hi.
Well, I think you shouldn't flirt. You should flirt with you.
Oh, whatever. But you should always smile. That's a good...
Smile, I smile. You smile. We all smile together.
Alright.
And cut the cheese.
Oh, Felicity, tip number 9. Go ahead.
Tip number 9. Don't cut the cheese, or what we would say. I don't think I want to remind you of that. Let's go on.
Alright, tip number 10. Most important tip there is. Always look your best.
Oh, that is perfect.
Yeah.
And don't stink. Don't make yourself stink and everything.
Alright, we got that.
Okay. Well, don't feel bad and feel confident. And yes, I think
we're good. Thank you. That was new. That was our Good Morning to America for today. If you have any questions,
see you later, crab cakes.
Look us up on whatsthat.webs.com or 1-800-CRABCAKES.
I'll tell you what that is. It's a piece of my mind.
Bye.